Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to divide a statement into several invoices using Docket. With this feature, you can divide a statement into several distinct invoices. This is particularly useful when you receive a statement containing multiple expenses that must be allocated to separate invoices. Log into your Docket account by visiting app.docket.com. Once you're in, navigate to the top header menu and click on Expense Management. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Accounts Payable and then click on Invoice Queue. To split an invoice, locate the desired invoice in the queue. Click on the Amount button on the right side of the invoice row and select Split Invoice, then select Split Statement to Invoices. You will be taken to the Split Statement to Invoices window, where you can easily divide the statement into separate invoices. Provide the following information: date of the invoice. The invoice number is to be assigned to the new split invoice. Amount of the invoice. The invoice total. Settlement amount. And difference. Fields are essential to ensure accurate invoice splitting. To proceed, click on the Continue button. A pop-up window confirming the split shows up. After a few seconds, refresh the invoice queue. Upon reloading, you will see that the statement has been split into multiple invoices based on your selected amounts. For more helpful tutorials, keep watching our channel. Thank you for joining us.